Welcome back. How are you all? Every single minute, your heart beats over 70 times, pushing life through a network of vessels longer than the Earth's circumference. But silently, without any warning, these very lifelines can begin to harm. It doesn't hurt at first. There are no alarms, no scars, just a slow, quiet decay of blood flow. This is the silent beginning of cardiovascular disease, what the world often calls the silent killer. And yet, hidden within one of nature's simplest fruits lies a quiet gardenia berry so small, yet powerful enough to defend your heart from within. This is the story of how the humble blueberry became the vascular guardian. Heart disease doesn't just start with a heart attack. It actually begins years, even decades before, with slow damage to the inner lining of your arteries. Think of these cells as your body's gatekeepers. They tell your blood vessels when to open up and relax. But when they're constantly under attack from high blood pressure, unhealthy fats, and chronic stress, that signal starts to break down. The arteries constrict, blood pressure rises, and plaque begins to build up like rust inside your veins. One rupture, one clot, and the heart can stop. That's how millions of people lose their lives every year, not from a sudden failure, but from years of silent neglect. But nature never leaves the body without a defense. In the cool forests of North America, a fruit evolved with an extraordinary purpose: protection. Inside every single blueberry are pigments called anthocyanins. These are the compounds that paint the fruit. It's deep, rich blue. But that color isn't just for decoration, it's armor. These anthocyanins fight oxidative stress, inflammation, and vascular aging, the very enemies that break down our arteries from the inside. Scientists now call blueberries a functional food. They're not just providing nutrition, they're acting as biological repair tools. They are small, edible shields against vascular decay. So, here's a secret to how they work. Your arteries stay open and flexible because of one invisible gas: nitric oxide. It's your body's natural relaxant, the message that tells your arteries to widen and keep blood flowing smoothly. But oxidative stress, that rusting process, destroys it, like static cutting off a clear radio signal. Blueberry anthocyanins acts like guardians of this crucial message. They sweep away the free radicals that steal nitric oxide, and they even help your cells produce more of it. In simple terms, blueberries help teach your blood vessels how to breathe and relax again. And this isn't just a theory. It's been proven in people. In a landmark study at Florida State University, postmenopausal women with high blood pressure ate just 1 cup of blueberries a day for 8 weeks. The results were astounding. Their blood pressure dropped by an average of 7 points, which is the same effect doctors often expect from first-line medication. Their arteries became more flexible, and their nitric oxide levels nearly doubled. In another clinical trial, scientists observed that even a single drink made with blueberries could improve artery relaxation within just a few hours. The evidence is clear. The body listens to nature, and nature answers back. But the story goes even deeper into the world that lives inside you. When you eat blueberries, their complex compounds travel down to your gut, where your friendly bacteria unlock their true power. These microbes transform the anthocyanins into smaller metabolites, which are bioactive messengers that can then enter your bloodstream and travel to every artery in your body. They strengthen your vessels, calm inflammation, and can even improve insulin sensitivity. This hidden partnership between nature and our microbiome reveals a universal truth. True health doesn't begin in hospitals. It begins in harmony. Cardiovascular disease isn't just about numbers on a chart. It's the grandfather who can't climb the stairs anymore, or the young person who tragically never wakes up. But imagine if something as simple as a daily handful of blueberries could change that story-lowering pressure, restoring rhythm, and buying years of laughter and life. Sometimes, the most powerful prevention doesn't roar. It whispers. In the quiet act of choosing nature before disease has a chance to choose you. Every miracle in nature speaks to us, if we're just willing to listen. And the blueberry, that tiny sphere of blue, whispers a truth we've too often forgotten. Health isn't built in hospitals. It's built in habits. While we chase pills and quick fix promises, nature is quietly preparing the cure, hidden inside color, taste, and life itself. One berry at a time. one choice at a time. We build our future. So, the next time you hold a handful of blueberries, remember, you're not just eating fruit. You're rewriting your health story. You're defending your life force. You're giving your heart a fighting chance. And if this story has touched your thoughts, then don't just leave. Be part of this journey. Subscribe to the channel, share this message with someone you care about, and let's remind the world that true healing still exists in nature, in knowledge, and in every mindful choice we make. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.